Hello, this is Drew Murdoch from the Wasaga Beach Public Library here for another Tech Tips. And this week we're going over the basics of Facebook. So, the first thing that we have to do is we have to sign up for a Facebook account. So how you do that is you go to facebook.com. You don't have to put in www, but if you would like to, that's totally fine as well. And you go to this page. Now, the first time that you come here, the first time that you make this web page, you're actually going to go down here to where it says sign up. It says sign up. It's quick and easy. So what you do is you put in your first name, your last name, your mobile number. So if you have a cell phone, you can put that in there. So for example, my name is Drew Murdoch, and my email is dmurdoch.wbpl@wasagabeach.com. Once you put in your email, it will ask you to put it in again. That's just to make sure that you put in the right email and there's no mistakes or anything. So you put it in again. And then you create a password. My little secret tip for passwords is you make a sentence that is like funny or weird and it will stick in your mind. I watched an interview with Edward Snowden, the guy who was the big whistleblower in America, and he explained that one of the best passwords that you can use is a sentence. So for example, I think the one that he used was Margaret Thatcher is too cool. And the two as in the number 2. And I think that would be a good one because it's definitely memorable. So I'll figure out a password. You type it in here. Now, I know this is going to sound weird, but you do have to put in the right birthday. You can't mess around with your birth date because I've had a couple people at my tech time recently come in and say that they've been locked out of their Facebook accounts. I think what was going on was the Facebook birthday was actually wrong. They purposefully put in a wrong birth date because they didn't want their birth date and their birth year, out in the world. But Facebook is now getting so smart that I don't know how, but it's knowing when you put in a false birthday. So you want to put in the right birthday. I know it's scary, but you have to put in the right birthday. So I was born January 7th, 1994. And then it will ask for your gender. So you can, depending on what you identify as, you can put in female, a male, or if you don't identify as either or just want to explain a little bit about your gender, you can choose custom and it will get you to use a pronoun. Now, this is not an extensive list. It just has 3 pronouns, she, he, and they. It doesn't have a list of every pronoun available. And then it will have an option here where you can put in your gender, what gender you identify as. So if you're gender neutral, you can put in gender neutral, or if you're trans, you can put in trans. And then you sign up. I identify as male, so I will sign up here. Just click the green sign up button. And it will send a code to your email account. What you have to do is you have to go into your email, the one that you put down for your contact, and it will send a couple digit code, a couple numbers. You can either remember it, write the numbers down, or you can always copy and paste those numbers as well. So it could be 1 2 3 4 5. The code could be 1 2 3 4 5. It's probably not going to be 1 2 3 4 5, but who knows? Maybe you get lucky. So you put it in there and then you click continue. Once you log in, you'll see this page, and this is a good basis of how to get your Facebook page up and running. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to have a profile picture. The reason why you would have a profile picture is so that people can, if your name is, John Smith, and there are probably thousands, if not millions, of John Smiths in the world, you want to have a profile picture so that the people, when they're searching for John Smith, can see that it's the John Smith, the John Smith with glasses and the big green mohawk, instead of the John Smith with no glasses, a big goatee, and a pompadour wig on. For example, if I wanted to choose a photo, I would click on add photo. You can always take a photo with a webcam. So for example, if I wanted to take a photo, hello, I could take a photo and use that, but I don't want to because the webcam is a little crappy. So I'll instead click on add picture. My picture, I know I saved in pictures, and I think this photo is very funny. For anybody who knows me, who just saw, I have a big beard, and this is one of the rare photos where I don't have a beard, so I thought that would be funny to add as a profile picture. So the next thing that you can do is you can add somebody as a friend. So what adding them as a friend means is you get to see what they post and what they like, and they can see what you post and what you like. And you can message them on Facebook. We'll get into that later. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to search their name. So if I wanted to add my other account, which is Drew lowercase d Murdoch, I can search up in this search bar here, where it's like a Google search, but only for Facebook. If you either click enter or the little magnifying glass, it will search for you. And you can see I'm the first one there because I think I'm the only one on all of Facebook to be called Drew lowercase d Murdoch. So if you just click on that page, you can see, is this the right person? Santa and Spaceman. Yes, I think that's the right person. Now, if you think it's the right person, you just click add friend. And you can see that the friend request was sent. So it's not an automatic thing. They have to choose to be your friend as well, and they can either accept or not accept. And the same thing goes for you. And if you accidentally click on send friend request, you can always take it back. You don't have to be worried that it's out there forever and they're going to see it. What you can do is, if you accidentally send it to them, you can always click cancel request down here. Cancel request, and it goes away. Now, I'll go and accept my friend request on Facebook here. And you can see that a little notification pops up here. And it says friend requests, a little 1. And if you click on that, it says Drew lowercase d Murdoch accepted your friend request. And if we click on it now, you can see all the things on my personal Facebook. So you can see that there's photos here, and my dad posted something on my Facebook. Jeremy Hotz wished me a happy birthday. That was pretty cool. And you can see all my friends and stuff. And so you can see that with anybody that you are friends with. Another cool thing that you can do with your friends list is you can chat with them. If you go over here, you can either use the chat bar on the side, or you can go up to the little bubble with a lightning bolt in it, and you click on that, and we can chat. And I can say, hello, Drew. Hope you're doing well. See coffee soon? and that message goes to him. Now, once again, just like your Facebook friend request, if for some reason that you're like, oh crap, I sent that to the wrong person, no problem. There's 3 little dots here. When you hover over it, it says more, and you just click remove, and that goes away. Remove for everyone. And it will say you removed a message, and everyone will see that you removed a message, but that's totally fine because they won't see the message that you removed, and everything will be fine. Another important thing that you will do, it will ask for at the beginning, is all about your privacy. So if you go to settings, so the way that you find settings is up at the top. There's a little arrow that points down. It's pretty dark, but it's at the very end of that little taskbar. And you click on settings. Now, if you see settings, and then you can, on the left-hand side, there's security and login, your Facebook information, and then finally, privacy. So the settings are, you can really change everything in here, but an important thing for just setting up your Facebook is who can see things on your Facebook page and what can they see. When you post something, we'll show you how to post later. When you post something, who can see those posts? Now, if you click on that, so when you click on friends, you can see that there's a whole bunch of options as to who can see that post. So if you want something to go all over the internet, if you want it to go far and wide and reach the most people that you want, you can click on public. And then, if you want just your friends to see it, you can click on friends. If you want all of your friends, except maybe somebody that you're planning a surprise party for, and you want all of the people on your Facebook to hear about it, except for that one friend, you can click on friends except, and a little bar will pop up, and it will ask you what friends you don't want on there. And then you can click on friends of friends. So that's just one step removed. So I am friends with, Linda. And if I post, hope everybody has a good Easter, if I click on friends of friends, then all of Linda's friends can see my post. And then you have how people can contact you. Who can send you Facebook friend requests? Can everybody send you Facebook friend requests? Or friends of friends? Then you have who can see your friend list. So your friend list you saw before on the left-hand side of my Facebook page. You can see all the people that I am friends with. Now you can choose who sees who my friends are. You can say that everyone sees, and then if you want to change that, you can change that by hitting the public icon and then just choosing who sees it. If you want people to be able to look up who you are or look you up using your email, you can use that. You can click, if you want to change that, you can click on one of these. Same thing. Do you want people able to, if they know your phone number, to put in the phone number in Facebook and your profile pops up if you added in a phone number at the beginning? If so, then you can click everyone or choose who sees that. And then finally, you have, do you want search engines outside of Facebook to link to your profile? So what that means is if somebody searches on Google Drew Murdoch, am I okay with Facebook linking to my Facebook account? If you want that, you can keep that check mark click. If you don't want that, you click on the check mark and click turn off. So let's review. We've created your Facebook account. We have created a profile picture. We have added some friends, and we have used the settings to see how you want to use Facebook. So now it is time to post on Facebook. If you click on the little Facebook logo in the top left corner here, it will bring you to this page here. And if you click on what's on your mind, Drew, you can type in, it doesn't have to be what's on your mind, but you can type in, anything that you would like. So, just had a sandwich. It was good. I think I'll have another. And once again, I can choose who sees this post. Now, if I wanted to post a photo of the sandwich that I'm eating, I can click photo and video and choose the photo wherever it's saved, and it will add in there. So I don't have a picture of a sandwich, but I do have the bad picture of my selfie. So I'll just pretend that instead of a selfie of Drew, it's a picture of a sandwich. So you can click in there and the photo will pop up. So we'll click post and it will post to your timeline. So everybody can see this. And it says, just had a sandwich. It was good. I think I'll have another. Once again, if you're like, you know what? Didn't want to post that, you can click on the 3 dots. 3 dots are universal. It's either 3 dots or 3 lines. Whatever if you're stuck and can't find where the settings are, or if you can't find what you want to do, and there are 3 dots or 3 lines, click those first before you freak out. And if you don't want to have this on there, you can click delete. Or if you want to edit it a little bit more, you didn't like what the post said, or you posted the wrong photo, you can click on edit post and it will bring you back to this. And look at that. Good thing I brought it back because I misspelt sandwich. So let's just pretend that I meant to do that and go back and fix the spelling of sandwich. And now we can post it. And click on save and it posts with the right sandwich. All right, but I don't like it. I think it's too silly, so I'll delete it. And you just click delete and it goes away. So that is it for this time of Drew's Tech Tips. If you have any questions, you can contact us at the Wasaga Beach Public Library at 705-429-5481. And have a great day.